Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis. This is Motorsports. Today we're going to be back on the Lexus, the SC400 trophy truck pre-runner style build. Here's where we're at right now. So we got the seats in. I took them back out so we wouldn't put a bunch of weld holes in them. I got the main structure of the cage in. Have the rear end in place. It's probably an inch or two above full bump because the tire's going to stop there, but we went a little bit above because now we're going to build the chassis past it. So I want to make sure we have that that buffer space. So I put it on these adjustable stands and I put it up a little bit just to make sure that I give it plenty of room, and then we'll adjust all the clearances once the 4-link and everything's in, the drive shaft's in. We'll adjust the where we want it to stop with the bump stops. But here is my little ghetto tire stand that I built. It's just my aluminum step and a couple big 4x4 blocks of wood there to hold the tires in place, but it works great. I think it's a good height. I think we're gonna land the tires right there. I have this one bar right here so far across the back, which I'm going to pull a bar all the way back, do like a 30-degree bend or so down to that pipe, and then we'll do something similar a little higher, but we're gonna box it out and build like a bumper and all that, and a cage around the spares, and in between them we're gonna build some kind of a storage trunk, put a floor jack, fluid rack, toe straps, toolbox. We got a good, I don't know, almost 1.5 to 2 feet in between the tires. So, and then this little cavity right here is where our Jeep Speed 32-gallon fuel cell is going to be, and it's got the slanted 45 back, the back end, same exact one that went in my truck. We're going to 45 it where the links are, so we're going to put a big fuel cell right there. So today I'm going to be working on doing the kind of the back half, the main structure frame, and then once that's in, we're going to kind of just start lacing it all. We're going to get the fuel cell mounted in it. We're going to get the storage box built and just keep adding and adding and adding to it. So here we go. I'm going to start running some bars today. Alright, so check it out. This is what I got so far. I have the tires out of it right now, but this is going to be kind of the start of the back bumper. The tires going to wrap a little bit still. I'm going to do another set of these bars. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. I have the lower section of the back half built and kind of tacked in place. So I do have the tires pulled out right now. I'm working on the cage. They've been in and out, in and out, in and out. But basically this is gonna be part of the rear bumper. The tire sits here. I'm gonna send another similar set, probably same bend and everything, back from the top part, out the top part of the trunk, kick the same bend down, come a little bit further out past the tire, kind of box in the rear. But I have the front bar where the tires sit, so everything to hold the tires in position is there. I have the I jacked up the axle probably another 2 inches to kind of help support these bars, but everything is perfectly level. I have it from the cage back just a hair pitched uphill, and then it has the 15-degree bend down. So, but then everything else is just level. The axle is in like the factory position, Right now it's in the center. I think we're gonna pull it back 2 inches, so we're gonna cut the back of the fender here, but we're gonna extend it back, which is gonna allow better clearance for shocks and trailing arms and everything in there. And it's gonna widen our wheelbase just a little bit. The wheelbase currently right now is sitting at 111 inches, so we're gonna stretch it 2 inches in the rear and probably 2, maybe 3 inches in the front. So we should be around 215, 217-ish. But yeah, that's what I got so far, so I'm gonna keep going. Just want to give you guys a quick little peek. Let's check it out and give you a quick little peek what it kind of turned out as. That's gonna be your rear bumper, basically your little Nerf bar. I went ahead and cut a little dummies. They're kind of just in here right now. We had to get the correct wheels and tires mounted so we can kind of mount them up at the proper width to be able to kind of connect all the bars together here. We're gonna run a bar top and bottom, kind of basically box it all in. We're gonna put panels, build a little trunk area. But this gives you a little bit of an idea of how it turned out. We'll show a little bit more in the next videos. I'm trying not to show too much because we did get a little carried away on some of the other things. So I am actually filming this a little bit later. But yeah, there you go. All right, so that's a brief little catch up on the cage work and everything going on the back half section. Did not get to show you guys everything what's going on. That's going to be in another video. We do have a lot of parts being built on the side that are going to be going on for the rear suspension. Lots of things are happening, and we're kind of just showing you bits and little pieces of it. We do have a couple more videos already filmed and in the process getting ready to get dropped. I got to finish editing this one, and I got 2 more on just the rear suspension alone on this car. But we do have lots of other projects. Quick little glance, that's it. That's all you're gonna get. So lots of new builds, lots of stuff going on. We are definitely running behind on editing, so I'm sitting down today. I'm gonna try to get you guys this video out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, leave some comments, questions. You see anything you don't like, let me know too. I'm open to even whatever. I mean, it is what it is. Everyone's got their own opinions on everything. So but yeah, my allergies are definitely kicking my ass. So I went and did my mom's backyard yesterday, and I'm allergic to grass, and it's definitely getting to me. So but yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.